Hey friends, so in today's hopefully quick tutorial, I wanted to show you how you can generate really good looking App Store screenshots with the help of AI. Something that normally you would have to pay a designer 200, 300, 500 bucks for. And now with AI and a bunch of tooling, these things actually look pretty darn good. Now, the app that we're going to use here as an example is an app that I personally use quite a bit because I'm a digital nomad, which is called Nomad Table. Now, obviously, they already have quite decent screenshots because it's a well-established app. But this tool that I'm going to show you, which is called Genviral, is really good, especially for those also who start out, because the tool is specifically made for app founders who want to market their apps on all kinds of social media platforms. Now, without further ado, let's actually get started. And the way we get started is first by connecting the product, because that will then also inform a bunch of the other products and offerings and everything that Genviral has. Now, again, with the Nomad Table app, we insert it here, and the AI will analyze the website that we added. Now, in this case, as we can see here, we have the color palette, we have the fonts and everything. We even have the App Store screenshots here. So the App Store screenshots that are currently present, even a bunch of reviews. So really important. Also, a general tip, if you're an app founder, make sure that your website is at least somewhat maintained, simply because, again, you also make it readily available for scrapers and other products like Genviral. Now, with that being said, let's actually get started. And the way we get started is by going here on the screenshots and creating the automations. One side note here is that you can also, by the way, translate App Store screenshots. So you can either use these here and translate them. I have actually a separate video out on my channel about that, or you can generate them from scratch, and that's what we're gonna do. Now, we're gonna select Nomad Table here, and we're gonna upload our images. I've went ahead and actually uploaded them already. So as we can see here, we have a bunch of images. I think that would be actually the second one, that would be the third one, and now we have number 4 and finally number 5. So a bunch of things, as you can see, because we have selected 5 screenshots to be created, it's automatically set to auto. If we were to create 6, then, for example, we can also use these two options, which basically means it would put a generic image, maybe of a person that's traveling, maybe of some animation or whatever it may be, as the first or as the last image. So again, because we have 5 images uploaded, screenshots, we have 6 images created, it would then create one filler image, quote unquote. If you want more, then that could also be arranged. But in our case, I actually just want them to be matching. And then I also want to add the badge, because the app has actually been downloaded over 1 million of times. So we want to show that. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to pick my colors. So in this case, I'll pick this one here, and that will be the background color of the screens. Now, in my case, what do I want to do? I want to also copy this and make sure to say, okay, please use background color for all screenshots. Use white text, and that's the only parameter that I'm gonna give it. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna click on continue. There are options to, for example, also use other visual styles. So if there's like an app that you really like, then you can also attach or use that app as a reference, so we can upload these images, or again, you can do that without. Now, in our case, we actually already have a setup for us, because in the next step, the AI is going to analyze each of the images and come up with the text that it's going to place. If we are unhappy with, let's say, the order or something, we can also drag it up it, all that stuff. We can also ask it to edit it. So find locals every events anywhere you go. Again, this really depends on your specific needs. I'm not going to do anything here for the sake of this video, but we can also ask it potentially to regenerate if that's something that we want. As we can see, we have the white text actually here, and that will be the background column that we have. And now let's actually get started with the creation. And with the power of editing, I'll be right back. And we're back. So as we can see, these are the generations. So let me maybe expand this just a little bit. So you see, we have the badge with the 1 million plus downloads. So that looks pretty cool. Let me compare it to this badge here. I mean, it is a bit bigger, but I don't think that's actually that bad, because, I mean, why wouldn't you want people to know that your app has been downloaded 1 million plus times? So that's that. And the text here is a bit more prevalent, because that is what we had in the previous screen as well. So if you just to show you here, as you can see here, Nomad Table is an app designed to help solo traders connect with fellow. You can technically remove that if that's something that you don't want. Generally speaking, it does make sense to have a bit more of a lengthy text here, just to kind of like explain the value and everything of the app. Now, let's switch to the next one. As you can see, join activities with fellow travelers. And again, it keeps the coloring and everything consistent. It puts out the UI elements, the individual ones. So that's pretty neat. Plan your next social trip. That's also not too bad. I would have liked a bit more activity on this particular one, as well as on these ones here, especially around like pointing out the individual image. But as we can see here, for example, we're back to having that, such as my individual profile that is rated in a certain way. Now, this again is just from scratch generations. If you want to make certain changes, you could say here, please, for example, change the copy to ABC or remove this part altogether and just show the App Store screenshots. Again, the freedom is really yours. Now, that is the feature. If you then want to download it, you can simply go here and click on download all, and that would allow you to download all of these in a zip file and use them hopefully in your App Store. Now from there, again, you can also, just to reiterate and show you one final time, use the translation feature, which is quite neat. If you would go here on the tab, then you can also select and upload these images and then have them translated into all kinds of different languages so that you have that you can target markets, local markets, that is much better. So this is how you would generate, I would say, pretty good looking App Store screenshots with the help of AI. If you guys have any questions about Genviral, the product, or anything else for that matter, please do let me know. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.